Hello everyone and welcome back to your digital consultation. Today we're diving into one of Dubai's most exciting upcoming investment opportunities, Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences in Meydan. This is an exclusive investment masterclass where I'll guide you through the full project story, developer insights, payment plans, detailed pricing, floor plan analysis, and even comparisons to downtown and Dubai Creek Harbor. I'll share hidden tips, potential resale strategies, and why this project aligns so well with Dubai's 2040 vision. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Amaal 8 and Mansory should be on your radar. Let's get started. Let's begin with the location. Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences are located in Meydan Horizon, directly opposite the Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. This is a prime location just 10 minutes from downtown Dubai and Dubai Mall, about 10 minutes from the airport and 15 minutes from DIFC. Now what makes this so special is that you get the best of both worlds. You're minutes away from Dubai's busiest business hubs, but you're surrounded by natural views, waterfront lagoons, and protected green spaces that will never be blocked by future developments. These residences are part of the same tower, divided into two branded collections, and stand on a shared podium with panoramic views of the downtown skyline, the creek, the wildlife sanctuary, and the planned Meydan golf courses and crystal lagoons. Every unit has a view worth waking up to. Now, the story behind the developer is one of the key reasons why investors are paying attention. The developer Amaal was founded by the former group CEO of Emaar Properties, the same person who led the development of downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, Business Bay, and Arabian Ranches. This is the man who helped build the Burj Khalifa's neighborhood. Alongside him is a co-founder with over 17 years of luxury real estate experience in Dubai. This is incredibly important. It means that the team behind Amaal knows how to deliver mega projects, and they know how to deliver them on time to the highest standards. They're backed by strong industry and political connections, which gives this project a very high level of execution security. So this is not an unknown name, this is the developer with Emaar DNA, now creating something new under their own boutique brand, similar to what Ellington has done in the past. Let's quickly distinguish the two sides. The Amaal 8 side is the flagship identity with 49 floors, topped with the Infinity Collection, which includes some of the most exclusive penthouses and duplexes in the area. These units are spectacular, with private pools, full floor layouts, and panoramic views. The Mansory Residences side, yes, this is the first ever real estate project by Mansory, the famous German luxury car customizer, which brings in bespoke design elements, lavish materials, and signature styling throughout the building. The Mansory branded collection will carry a 10 to 15% price premium, but for some investors that brand is worth every dirham. Both collections are connected by a shared podium and enjoy the same incredible amenities: infinity pools, luxury spa facilities, and indoor cinema, virtual sports lounges, indoor and outdoor gyms, paddle courts, mini golf, kid play areas, and even a retail promenade along the Crystal Lagoon. In addition to these, there are exclusive amenities located on the 41st floor, accessible only to Mansory Residences owners, offering a heightened level of privacy and service. Also, it's worth noting that the duplex units in the Infinity Collection come with their own private pools located on the upper floors, offering a true penthouse experience in the sky. These buildings are not just homes, they are lifestyle destinations. And now let's talk about Dubai's future growth. Meydan is a key part of Dubai's 2040 urban master plan. It's one of the areas specifically designed for expansion, new public spaces, and population growth. Major developments like the Meydan 1 Mall, which is set to become one of the largest malls in the world, are under construction right now, and they're located just minutes from Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences. By the time these residences are handed over in late 2028, this entire district will be a fully developed leisure and residential hub, connected by new infrastructure, green spaces, lagoons, and world-class attractions. From an investment point of view, buying into Meydan today is like buying into Dubai Marina or downtown 15 years ago, before prices surged. Let's now get into the numbers. One-bedroom apartments in Amaal 8 start at around 1.77 million dirham, which is roughly 2,045 dirham per square foot. The same one-bedroom in Mansory collection is around 2.2 million dirham at approximately 2,370 dirham per square foot. Even with the premium, Mansory is still more affordable than the average downtown apartment, which now sells for over 2,700 dirham per square foot and the other projects in the Meydan Heights area. Two-bedroom apartments range from 1,200 to 1,640 square feet, with prices starting around 2.9 million dirham. These units are family-friendly, most with en-suite master bedrooms, open-plan living spaces, and large balconies. Perfect for soaking in the skyline or the lagoon views. The three-bedroom options are where things get really exciting. Sizes range from about 2,000 to 3,000 square feet. Some three-bedroom apartments even come with private plunge pools on their terraces. Imagine swimming while looking over at the Burj Khalifa. These units are priced from around 4 to 6 million dirham, which for the level of luxury is extremely competitive. The four-bedroom apartments are very limited. There are only few duplexes, each over 3,000 square feet, and even more exclusive full-floor residences in the Infinity Collection that span almost 4,500 square feet. These are all priced above 8 million dirham. Compared to similar properties in downtown or Dubai Creek Harbor, Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences offer around a 15 to 25% price advantage, while still delivering comparable, if not superior, views, amenities, and design. Now, the payment plan is a key highlight. The payment structure is simple and investor-friendly. 20% on reservation, plus the 4% DLD and admin fees, 5% after 9 months, 5% after 12 months, 5% after 15 months, and 5% after 20 months from the reservation date, and 60% on handover in late 2028. That gives you plenty of time to manage your cash flow and maximize your returns. Why is this great for investors? Because it gives you maximum cash flow, flexibility, and you only need to pay 40% over the next 2 to 3 years while the property is being built. The rest is paid later, giving you time to either prepare financing or resell the unit at a profit. And this leads us to a smart investment strategy. In Dubai's off-plan market, savvy investors often resell properties before handover, capitalizing on price growth without paying the full amount. Historically, in high-quality projects, we've seen premiums of 20 to 30% above launch prices by the time construction neared completion. For Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences, conservative forecasts predict annual price growth of around 7 to 10%. If this holds by handover in 2028, we're looking at a potential price increase of 25 to 30% as a minimum. So that one bedroom you buy today for 2.2 million dirham could be worth 2.8 million dirham at a handover or more. A three-bedroom you buy for 4.2 million dirham could easily cross the 5.5 million dirham mark. And remember, the rental market is strong here as well. Rental yields for prime properties in Dubai typically range from 5 to 8%, and they are tax-free. Now, for a two-bedroom apartment purchased at 3.5 million dirham, you can expect rental income of around 200,000 dirham per year, which is a solid gross yield in Dubai's market. When you consider the long-term capital appreciation, the rental income, and the payment plan flexibility, the numbers start to look very attractive. Let's talk quickly about floor plans and layouts. The two-bedroom apartments have been carefully designed for modern living, with large living spaces, practical kitchens, and big balconies. Some two-bedroom units are corner apartments with Dubai views, offering incredible sightlines across downtown, Ras Al Khor Sanctuary, and the Crystal Lagoons. Now, the three-bedroom apartments, especially those with private pools, are what we call villas in the sky. They offer formal dining spaces, maid rooms, and multi-directional views. These units will appeal to both local families and international tenants looking for a luxury city home. The four-bedroom duplexes are rare and ultra-premium. Some span 2 entire floors with double-height living rooms and private internal elevators. The full-floor Infinity units on the top levels of Amaal 8 offer 360-degree panoramic views, making them true collector's items. If you're considering investing, I strongly recommend focusing on higher floor units with premium views, corner layouts, or unique features like private pools. These units will hold their value better and attract stronger resale interest. And now let's discuss some of the hidden investor tips. First, inventory is very limited. Across both branded collections, there are only 512 units. Some categories, like the four-bedroom duplexes and the three-bedroom pool apartments, are extremely scarce. When units are these rare, they tend to appreciate faster, and you'll have much less competition if you decide to resell. Second, The Mansory branding adds a very interesting layer of potential. If Mansory successfully promotes this project to their international network, especially among the luxury car collectors and high net worth individuals, you could see a global resale demand specifically for the Mansory branded apartments. Third, Meydan is set to be one of Dubai's next big success stories. It's being master planned with future infrastructure, improved roads, lagoons, retail hubs, and green spaces. It's located along Ras Al Khor Road, which is being upgraded, and future metro extensions could easily make their way to Meydan as the area grows. If you remember how Dubai Marina was back in the early 2000s, just a construction site at first, the people who bought early there saw some of the best returns in Dubai's history. Meydan has the same potential today. In terms of exit strategies, you have three options. You can resell before handover, you can sell post handover, or you can hold long-term for rental income and capital appreciation. Given the market trends and the quality of this project, I believe that both medium and long-term plays here are solid. Holding for 3 to 5 years after handover could potentially double your investment, especially if Meydan 1 Mall becomes the next big attraction in Dubai. So what's my verdict? Amaal 8 and Mansory Residences combine top-tier locations, strong developer credibility, high-end branding, and competitive pricing. They offer a rare opportunity to secure luxury apartments in one of Dubai's fastest-growing areas, at prices significantly below downtown, but with very similar, if not superior, lifestyle offerings. They align perfectly with Dubai's 2040 vision, offer payment plan flexibility, rental yields around 6 to 8%, and annual appreciation forecasts between 8 to 10%. For investors, this is one of the most well-rounded opportunities currently available in Dubai's luxury segment. So if you want to secure your unit, now is the time to act. Early investors always get the best prices and the best unit selection. Once key layouts are sold, they don't come back. And with this project's limited inventory, the window to secure the top units is already closing. If you want to register for priority access and get first selection, contact us now. Send us a message and we'll guide you through available units, floor plans, and the booking process. Thank you for watching this detailed investment breakdown. I hope you found it helpful. Let's continue building wealth and securing smart investments together. See you in the next digital consultation.